Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is a powerful, free and open-source tool used to scan and analyze computer networks. Think of it as a sophisticated reconnaissance tool for the digital world. It's like having X-ray vision for your network, allowing you to see what devices are present and what they are up to. Why is this important? Nmap is indispensable for network administrators, security professionals, and ethical hackers alike. It helps identify vulnerabilities, troubleshoot connectivity issues, and gain a comprehensive understanding of network topology. Whether you're managing a home network or securing a corporate infrastructure, Nmap is an essential tool in your arsenal. Ready to put on your detective hat and start investigating? Getting Nmap up and running is surprisingly easy. Nmap is a versatile tool that runs on various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. For Windows users, the easiest way is to download the Nmap installer from the official website. Just run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. It's as simple as installing any other software. Mac users can download the Nmap installer package or use package managers like Homebrew. Linux users often have it easier, as Nmap is usually available in their distributions repositories and can be installed with a single command. Once installed, you can verify Nmap's presence by opening your command prompt or terminal and typing nmap v. This will display the installed Nmap version, confirming you're ready to begin your network exploration. Nmap, like any skilled detective, has a set of fundamental techniques for gathering information. These techniques are essential for anyone looking to understand the landscape of a network. These techniques translate into basic commands that form the foundation of Nmap usage. By mastering these commands, users can effectively map out the network and identify key points of interest. One of the most basic scans is the ping scan, used to quickly discover active hosts on a network. This scan sends out ICMP echo requests to see which devices respond, providing a quick overview of the network's active nodes. It's like sending out a quick hello to see who responds. This initial scan helps in identifying which devices are up and running, setting the stage for more detailed analysis. For a more detailed look, the TCP SYN scan is your go-to move. This scan is often referred to as a half-open scan because it doesn't complete the TCP handshake, making it stealthier and less likely to be detected. This scan stealthily checks for open ports on a target, revealing potential services running on those ports. By identifying open ports, you can determine which services are accessible and potentially vulnerable. To unveil the identity of those services, the version detection scan comes in handy. This scan digs deeper into the open ports to identify the specific software and versions running, providing a clearer picture of the network's landscape. It probes open ports to determine the specific software and versions running, providing valuable insights into potential vulnerabilities. Knowing the software versions helps in assessing the risk and planning appropriate security measures. Finally, the OS detection scan attempts to determine the target's operating system. This scan analyzes various network responses to guess the OS, which is crucial for tailoring security strategies. Knowing the OS can help tailor further security assessments and exploit development if needed. By understanding the operating system, security professionals can better predict potential vulnerabilities and craft more effective defenses. Before diving into practical scanning, it's crucial to grasp the concept of network ranges and net masks. Think of an IP address as a house address in the digital world, and the net mask defines the neighborhood or subnet to which it belongs. A net mask helps determine which part of the IP address represents the network and which part represents the specific device. This understanding is vital because it allows you to define the scope of your scan, ensuring you're targeting the right devices. Visualizing net masks can be helpful. Imagine a network as a pie chart, and the net mask determines how the pie is sliced. A smaller net mask represents a larger network slice, encompassing more devices, while a larger net mask signifies a smaller, more specific slice. Mastering this concept is key to performing efficient and accurate scans, preventing unintended targeting of devices outside your scope. Let's put theory into practice with a safe and ethical scanning exercise. This will help you understand the real-world applications of the concepts we've discussed. Always remember that scanning networks without permission is illegal and unethical. It's crucial to adhere to legal guidelines and ethical standards in cybersecurity. For this demonstration, we'll focus on scanning your own local home network. This ensures that we stay within legal boundaries while learning valuable skills. Start by determining your local network range. This is the first step in understanding the scope of your network. You can use commands like on Windows or on Linux or macOS to find your IP address and subnet mask. From there, you can calculate your network range. This involves understanding how IP addresses and subnet masks work together. Now open your command prompt or terminal. This is where you'll input the necessary commands to start your scan and use the Nmap command with your calculated network range. Nmap is a powerful tool for network discovery and security auditing. For example, would scan the entire 192.168.1.0 network. As Nmap scans, it will display the results in real time. This allows you to see the progress and understand the scanning process. You'll see a list of active hosts, their open ports, and other critical information. Services running on those ports, which can help you identify potential vulnerabilities and potentially even their operating systems. This information is crucial for understanding the devices on your network. This practical exercise provides a glimpse into Nmap's capabilities and how it can be used for network security and the wealth of information it can uncover about your network. Understanding these details is essential for maintaining a secure and efficient network. Section 6, Nmap Scripting Engine, Unleashing the Power Within. Nmap's power extends far beyond its basic commands thanks to the Nmap Scripting Engine, or NSE. NSE allows users to automate tasks, perform complex checks, and even exploit vulnerabilities, making Nmap infinitely more versatile. Imagine NSE as a collection of specialized tools available to your Nmap detective. Each NSE script is designed for a specific purpose, such as vulnerability scanning, malware detection, or even brute forcing credentials. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding guru to leverage NSE. Numerous pre-written scripts are readily available in Nmap's script library, ready to be used with a simple command line option. For instance, the script can enumerate web servers, discovering directories, files, and potential vulnerabilities. To use it, simply add to your Nmap command, and Nmap will automatically run default scripts, including against the target. Section 7. Advanced Nmap, Delving Deeper. Once you're comfortable with basic scans and NSE, you can explore Nmap's advanced features. These features are designed to give you more control and precision in your network scanning activities. These techniques allow for stealthier scans, bypassing firewalls and evading intrusion detection systems. This is particularly useful in environments where security measures are stringent. Timing options are one such feature. By adjusting the timing, you can control how quickly or slowly your scans are performed. Nmap's default timing is often detectable, but you can adjust the scan speed using options like T1 through T5 to become stealthier. For instance, T1 is the slowest and stealthiest, while T5 is the fastest but most detectable. Slower scans are less likely to be detected but take longer to complete. This trade-off is crucial depending on your scanning objectives. Another advanced technique is using decoy scans. Decoy scans can help mask the true source of the scan. This involves sending scans from spoofed IP addresses, making it appear as if multiple machines are scanning the target, thus obfuscating the true origin. This can be particularly effective in confusing the target's security systems. Firewall evasion techniques like fragmentation or utilizing specific TCP flags can also be employed to bypass security measures and gather information covertly. These methods break down the scan into smaller packets, making it harder for firewalls to detect. However, it's crucial to remember that these techniques should only be used ethically and with proper authorization. Unauthorized scanning can lead to legal consequences and damage to your reputation. Section 8, Ethical Hacking, the Responsible Path. While Nmap is an invaluable tool for ethical hackers, it's paramount to use it responsibly. Unauthorized network scanning can have serious legal and ethical consequences. Always obtain explicit permission before scanning any network that you do not own. This includes home networks, work networks, and especially networks connected to the internet. Respect the privacy of others and never use Nmap to steal information, disrupt services, or gain unauthorized access. Ethical hacking is about identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities, not exploiting them for personal gain. Remember, the goal is to make the digital world a safer place, and that starts with using powerful tools responsibly and ethically. Section 9 Level Up, your Nmap journey continues. This beginner's guide has equipped you with the fundamental knowledge and skills to begin your Nmap journey. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Nmap's depth and versatility offer endless possibilities for exploration and mastery. Numerous resources are available online, including the official Nmap documentation, tutorials, and online communities. Engage with these resources, experiment with different commands and scripts, and never stop learning. The more you practice, the more proficient you'll become in wielding Nmap's power for network analysis, security assessments, and ethical hacking endeavors. So keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the digital world awaits your expertise.